Hi, good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Oh, let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom or wow. This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs because I believe with all my heart that the Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friend, and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 3, verse 15 and 16, wisdom is more precious than any rubies or gold or any gem. Nothing you desire can compare to her. She offers you long life in her right hand and riches and honor in her left hand. Wow! Learn the value of wisdom. My friend, this is very vital and very essential in our whole life. If you want wealth, success, honor, and long life, you get wisdom from God. Like King Solomon in the old. Because in all you're getting, get wisdom. So I encourage you, my friend, if you have any problems or challenge in life, or you don't know what's going on in your life and how to solve the problem, get and ask wisdom from the Lord, and He will give you generously because He is generous Father in heaven. So my friend, it's just a reminder for everyone. I declare to you, shalom, shalom, peace and grace to you and multiply to everyone. God bless you more.